Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SendGrid for email campaigns with API keys. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up SendGrid for your email campaigns using API keys, start by creating a SendGrid account if you haven't already. Visit the SendGrid website and click on the Start for Free button. Fill in your details to create an account and follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the SendGrid dashboard. Click on the Settings option found in the left-hand navigation panel. From the Settings menu, select API Keys. Click on the Create API Key button to start generating your key. You will need to give your API key a name for easy identification. Choose the level of permissions required for your API key. For most email campaign needs, full access will be ideal. After setting permissions, click on the Create and View button. Important, copy your API key and save it securely, as you won't be able to see it again. Next, go to your email campaign software or application where you want to integrate SendGrid. Locate the area in your application that allows you to set up SMTP or API settings. Enter the API key you generated in the appropriate field. Make sure to specify any other required details like domain and sender email address if necessary. Now, configure any additional settings, such as email templates or recipient lists, based on your campaign needs. After completing your settings, send a test email to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check your inbox to confirm you received the test email without any issues. Now you're ready to create and send your email campaigns using SendGrid. Keep exploring the SendGrid dashboard for additional features like analytics and tracking. This completes the setup process for using SendGrid with API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.